Next, let's review crimping terminals and contacts onto wires. There are generally two types of terminals, open barrel and closed barrel. Open barrel terminals are often uninsulated. There are usually two U-shaped areas, one to crimp the conductor and one to crimp the insulation. The conductor crimp makes the electrical connection, and the insulation crimp holds and supports the wire insulation. A closed barrel terminal can be insulated or uninsulated, depending on how it's used. There is an O-shaped or closed area where the wire is inserted. Now let's look at contacts. Although there are many different contacts to choose from, there are two basic types, machined and stamped. The crimping process is similar for both. Machined contacts are available both with and without an insulation support feature. For contacts with insulation support, it's important the wire insulation is inside it, even though it may not be crimped. For machined contacts without the support, it's important that the insulation is almost flush with the contact, but not inside it. Many stamped contacts have an insulation support section. The wire insulation is required to sit in this part of the contact. The insulation support section of the stamped contact will usually be crimped. Next, we'll look at the different types of crimping tools. Manual crimping uses a hand crimper. Manual crimping is useful for small quantities of terminals. We'll start by loading the terminal barrel into the crimper nest. The wire is then positioned in the terminal barrel. Then, the handles are closed to complete the crimp. Because of the ratcheting mechanism, most crimpers will not release until the crimper is fully closed.